Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I got this warning, tire pressure low, add air. So I'm gonna show you how you can handle this. So in order to handle this, like of course you can go to a gas station and fill it, but for that you need to pay. If you have a good device like this, you can do it yourself. That I'm gonna do. Okay. So this goes to this is gonna be powered by the cigarette lighter that you call this one. Okay, I'm gonna take my dash cam power out and I'm gonna put this in. Okay, next is I'm gonna set it the pressure and then I'm gonna increase it. Okay, so what we need to do, first know that what is the pressure that we are gonna set. So if you take a look at the driver's side window, you're gonna see the pressure that your tire is required in terms of psi. Okay, so that's where we are gonna find it out. So you can see that it needs 33 psi. Let me focus. 33 psi. Yeah, front and rear both 33 psi is required for regular tire. For spare it's something else. Of course we are not putting the spare. So after we put it over there, we need to let me go out from. So the next step is to set this. Okay, you see I have done it on 33. If you want to increase, plus, minus, and this you can 0. Then this one, this has to go to the air. I don't know what this is called, but here it has to go. Okay, take the cap out. And push in. Okay, now see the pressure. It is showing that it has gone down to 27.5. So we need to increase it. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, now once you are ready with this, press this button and it's gonna do it. You see it is increasing. Once it is done to your preset value, it's gonna stop immediately. Now when I'm back to my car, you see that the pressure warning is gone. So that's it guys. This is how you can do it yourself. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And yes, it's very important to carry a device like this. Thank you.